Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I'm so glad you found this video because I'm going to be sharing something you can relate to. Stay tuned. Welcome back to this amazing video of mine. So I'm not even going to sugarcoat it. I believe I've had my fair share of struggles. Yes, it's not always been easy, but in this video, I'm going to show you how I juggle between content creation and nursing school. The interesting part is that I actually have a story for you. So if you're ready to stay with me until the end of this video, there's a story for you at the end of it. So doing voiceovers, I've actually crossed that hurdle of procrastinating or thinking too much when I want to do it. So just sit back and I promise you won't regret it.
So guys, I want to put this on my face. So I'll put it on my face and I'll show you how it is on my. So I've put the cleanser on. I don't do this every day, but for the days that I usually pick to put it on, I wake up earlier. Then I did. I wash it off. Then I bathe. But this morning I am going to have to iron because last night they didn't bring light, but there's light this morning, so I have to iron my uniform. So when I iron my uniform, then I'll bathe, then prepare for school. I don't put this every day. I pick like 2 times within the week, maybe once sometimes, because I just forget. I find it hard to be consistent with all this stuff. But that's it.
So before I tell you how I juggle between nursing, school and content creation, let me tell you the story that I promised you guys. So this happened last year, 2024, and I was having back-to-back handouts. I was having little to no sleep. And I remember then I had some content ideas that I actually put it into a video. And yeah, I was looking at my laptop. I was procrastinating on when to actually edit that video that I've done. But I remembered that, okay, what made me start all of this? And I thought to myself that I wanted to get more followers, more engagement on my YouTube channel. And I decided that I'm going to upload that video. And funny enough, even though I made a mistake, because I later figured that instead of uploading it as a YouTube video, I ended up uploading it as a YouTube short. And if I don't know if you'll be able to get this, a difference. Once you make a mistake of uploading a YouTube video as a YouTube short, is not going to swap their places. It's going to be like that. And I don't want to delete it and start all over because I'm very sure the people that watched it the first time or the second time, they're not going to come back to that video and watch it again. And the views I got then, it was actually nice. So I decided to push through and make it work. And I believe the key thing to note here is time management and balance. And an app that usually helps me to manage my time is my alarm because once I set a specific time for doing an activity, my alarm or maybe for my sleep hours or anything I plan to do that day, usually at night because I'm a midnight worker. I usually do my things in the midnight. So my alarm helps me to do that. And for my content idea, because I saw somewhere that if you have a content idea and you don't do it then, somebody else is definitely going to do it. So if you have any content idea as a content creator, it's better you do that thing there and then. If not, somebody else is definitely going to do it before you. So I have my notepad with me that I used to jot down any idea that comes to my head. Maybe when I'm eating, when I'm in class or anywhere. If I get an idea that I know that okay, I want to do a video on this later on, I'm going to note it down. So since then, I've learned a lot about time management and planning ahead because it's very good to plan ahead. And even though you might not follow it diligently, like okay, maybe create a calendar or a schedule that for that day, you might not follow it up to date or to that specific time. I always try to pay back. Maybe if I've missed a specific activity that I know I'm supposed to do that day, and I'll try to pay it back, even though it's not that day, maybe the next day. And another thing I know I cannot overemphasize in this video, but I'll try my best is energy. Because there are some days when I come back from class and the extra classes again we have after our closing hours, all I just want to do that day is to sleep. And days like that, you cannot actually fight your body, because our body is not firewood. Abi body no be firewood. That dey talk am. So days like that, I just sleep. Yes, I will leave everything and I'll sleep. And there are other days when I put in my all. So in conclusion of everything, just do what you do best and know what you are doing. Yes. So whether you are filming a video or you are doing something that you know you like or you love, just do it well. So I was fasting and it was time for me to break my fast, and I took fruits. So if you stayed on to this point, thank you very much for watching my video. And please subscribe, please hit that subscribe button, drop a like under this video, and see you in my next video.